Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vinitha Tarot Guidance. I have come here with a new picker card reading, and the topic of this reading is Who Will You Marry? Yes, it is a very interesting topic and one of the most requested topic. So, in this reading, friends, we will see who will be your life partner, who is that person you will marry, and in this reading we will see the nature, personality, characteristics of that person, and we will also see the bonding between you and your person. Okay, so we will see through many decks, and definitely we will use some cheats to clarify the message and additional information. Okay, so it will be a very interesting. You can see here two cards. One card is Archangel Raphael card and another card is Archangel Gabriel. So first of all, I would like you to say that close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds, and after that select that card which particularly attracts you. Okay, so this is card 1 and this is card 2. You can pause the video and then select the card, and I will give the timestamps of both the cards in the description, and if you want to get private reading from me, you can definitely take that. For that you have to contact me through the Instagram, and or you can send me mail also, and the profile link of the Instagram and mail ID will be given in the description, so that you can easily access me. Hello, pile number 1. You have selected this card of Archangel Raphael, and this is your reading, and in this reading we will see who is that person you are going to marry, and we will see their nature, personality, characteristics, and we will see the bonding between you and your person. Okay, and friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Friend, this is a general reading. Okay, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, and because there are so many people watching this video, so some messages may resonate with you and some may not, so don't take it in the negative sense. And friends, I would like to say that this is a timeless reading. Another thing is that if you are a male and a female, both of you can watch this reading. This is not a gender specific reading. So let's shuffle the card. Okay, the Hierophant card, beautiful, and it is a card which represents marriage. Queen of Swords, nice. Six of Pentacles, very nice cards. Oh my god, the Star card, definitely so beautiful. My god, it's like a jackpot to you. And now 10 of Cups, very nice. And we have got 3 of Pentacles. Okay, so we have spread the card. Okay, so first card is the Hierophant card, which also represents marriage. So definitely if you are looking for marriage, you will get married soon, or I can say that there is a marriage alliance in your luck. Okay, and if you feel that nobody is there for you, so this card assures you that yes, you will be married to a person, definitely in the divine timing, in the perfect timing. So you have to wait for that. And with the Hierophant card, it is telling me that your person will be very religious, very traditional person, a person who values his tradition. Okay, and this person may be related to a particular religion, and he or she may be following the religious practices very seriously. Okay, you will notice that this person is following his religious practices very seriously, and through this card I can also feel that this person will be very charming, very good looking, and many opposite genders people, definitely they will be attracted towards this person. Okay, because they have very strong energy and very attractive energy, and many people get attracted towards them. Their way of speaking will be very attractive, very pleasant to people. Okay, and I can also see with the Star card, this person will be like a wish fulfillment for you. Okay, you might have set some kind of characteristics, some kind of wishes for your partner, and I definitely see that your wish will be fulfilled. When this person will enter your life, you will feel that this is the person. Instantly you will feel that this is the person. You will see that this person matches with your with your desires, and definitely you will instantly feel that this is that particular person you were longing for, and he or she will definitely meet your expectation. I can see that, and you will be amazed to see his energy, his appearances. Because they will be so attractive, he or she. Okay, with the star card and with the hierophant card, I see that there is some kind of popularity related to them. They may be popular, in the field of education also. They may be a very popular teacher, healer also, and they will be inspiring so many people. I see that this will be the person who will inspire so many people. They will have so many followers, maybe on social media, and I don't know where, but they will be popular in some kind. I feel that, and you will be I also feel that you will be one of their followers. This person will be your crush, someone you follow on social medias. I can see that this person will have great heart, a big heart, and a person who helps some people, who help people who are needy, who are poor. And definitely with this card also, I see that people come to them and seek help from them. And this person is a big hearted people, kind hearted people. This person may also be associated with some kind of profession in which they are required to help people, and they do with a big heart. This is their nature, to help people. I can see that they are a strong personality people. They like to do justice with them. Some of you, I feel that this person will be a mature person. Mature person means there could be a large age gap, like 5 years, 4 years, like that. And this person may be mature for some of you. And for some of you, I also feel that this person will be a single parent, or they may come out of some kind of past relationship, maybe a marriage also, with the 10 of cups card. And another thing is that I feel that your family, you will build a family with this person. This person will be very loyal. This person will be a perfect marriage material, and you can trust this person. This person will give you stability, and this person will be very spiritual, and you can share all your emotions, all your problems with this person, and this person will help you and go along with you, take your hand through your difficulties, odds and challenges, and will be a great support for you. With this card also, I can feel that. And there are so many cards which is telling me that this person will be popular, and he will be doing some kind of work. He will be standing on the stage, and many people come to him or her to see him, to listen to them. This will be their job, or I don't know, but yes, this will be a person who will be popular in some kind. Some of you, this person may be doing network businessing, or working in a team. They will be a leader of the team, and I feel that they will have some kind of leadership quality. They will have some good reputation in the society. They will hold a very high position. I can see that. But Queen of Swords card, I feel that they will be using sometimes hard words, rough words, which may hurt people, because they will always try to speak the truth. They will not sugarcoat anything. They will not butter any people. They will be like leader, and they will be like a guidance to all the people. So let's take some other cards and see. This energy may resonate with you also. With these cards, we will see what are their current situation. What are they doing right now in their lives? Oh my God. Transformation, which is a card of death in the Rider-Waite tarot deck. Traveling. Wow, celebration. Healing. The Rebel, which is the Emperor card. And Sharing card. Okay. So friends, I have got the transformation card here, and with this card, which is a death card, I see that this person, in the life of this person, some kind of cycle may be ending right now, and the beginning of new cycle would be taking place. And this person might have gone some difficult period in his life, and might be undergoing through some kind of healing process, and some kind of difficult situation in his or her life is ending right now, and a new kind of cycle is beginning. And I also feel that this cycle may be related to the healing process of his, and this person might be going through a healing process right now. I can feel that with the star card. Also with the rebel card and with the sharing card, I also feel that this person will be when at first you will see this person, you might feel that this person is out of reach for you, because they will be so popular, they will have an authoritative positions, they will look serious, they will look person of very high standards, and you will feel that no, I don't deserve this kind of person, because their standards are so high, so many people are attracted towards them, and why will this person look at me and will give any kind of attention to me? Because most of person will be eager to talk to them, to get their attention, and you cannot feel at the first time that this person will ever talk to you or will give up attention to you. This will be the image of this person in the society. They will be like a very popular person, and you might feel that this person is out of reach for me. Card and the Hierophant card, this person will be very loyal to you, this person will be highly loyal to you, and also this person might have serious aura. It may happen that when you will look at this person for the first time, they may look very serious, they will not have any kind of smile on their face, and you might feel that this person is very serious. With the Emperor card, with the Rebel card here, and which is the Emperor card in the Rider-Waite Tarot, I feel few things like this person will be, first of all, they will be very loyal, they will be a provider to you, they will be a good provider to their family, and when they will build a family with you, they will like to have a stable foundation. They want to have a stable family where they return to their home, have a comfortable time with their family. They will be good provider, a protector of their family. But with this Rebel card, I also feel that they will not tolerate a second with that person who will lie to them, who will not be loyal to them. And in the society also, I have already mentioned that this person will not like to do or will not tolerate any person doing any kind of injustice to the other person. They will definitely take steps, and they will definitely help that person even if that person is unknown to him or her. I can see that they will be the rebel, and they will definitely they will be working like that to bring some kind of changes in the society. They will have a strong belief, and they will be full of power. You will feel that this person is always ready to do anything. And I also feel that this person right now may be traveling, or there may be a long distance relationship between both of you. For some of you, you might meet them online. I have already mentioned that this may be that person whom you are following on your social media account, and this person is your crush, and I feel like that. And for some of you, this person maybe in your college, maybe in your school, or you have met this person in your college, and this person was like a very popular figure in your college, and you have always desires and wishes to talk to this person, and you would have been following them since your college time. For some of you, I can feel that. And with the sharing, I feel that this person will be sharing his resources with you. He will share all his feelings, all his desires, all his expectations and everything with you. Your bonding will be so strong with this person. With the celebration card, you might meet this person in some kind of celebration, and like party or in seminar or anything where people are celebrating, people have gathered there, and you might meet this person right there. And with the celebration card here and the healing card here, I also feel that when this person will come into your life, you will feel healed. If you have any kind of past trauma regarding relationship, and I feel that there are some people who are watching this video, they have some kind of past trauma related to the relationship. You have been manipulated or something like that, but this person will bring healing to you. you will feel healed with this person, and you will have a stable foundation, a happy family with this person. You will get all the curves. We have the archway here. Archway here means that a new door for happiness and prosperity will open for you. Very positive cards have come for you with the star card. This person may be an Aquarius. With the Emperor card, Aries also, I can see that. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. And you might meet this person in any kind of celebration, marriage, school function. School functions means that they may be owner of some kind of school, and you are teacher there, like that, because Hierophant is here. So for some of you, this person may be related to field of education. I can see that. So let's take some more cards and see how will be your bonding. For some of you, I feel that this person may be a boss of yours, and you might meet them through your work. You may be working in their team, and they may be your team leader, and he will be very impressed with your work, and he will come to you and talk to you, and you will feel very excited about this. Moving on. So again and again, I am getting this message with the moving on card, with the transformation card, and with the 10 of Cups card here. I feel that for some of you, this person might come out of a marriage or out of a relationship, and that particular relationship will end, and after moving on from that particular relationship, their old relationship, either going through a divorce process, they will come to you. For some of you, not for all of you, but for some of you, I can feel that. So this card came out and fell down, and this card is the Trust card and the Fool. With this card, I feel that this person will be very spiritual, and he might be trusting the divine process, the divine timing. And Trust card is also for you, which is telling you that you have to trust that this person will talk to you, this person will come to you, and this person will be really trustworthy. You can trust them. Feeling alone. Strengthening bonds. Ace of Pentacles. Embrace. So I have spread this card for your bonding, for your relationship with your future spouse. So firstly, I have got two major arcana cards here actually. The Trust card and the Embrace card, which is the Fool card in the Rider-Waite, and this is the World card. So with the World card, I would like to tell you, and we have also got the Traveling card here, which is telling me that you will travel a lot with this person. This might be a long distance relationship. You might have met this person, or you will meet this person definitely, if you haven't met yet, online through some kind of online platform. And this person might be living in some different parts of the world. In different parts of the world, it means that they will be out of your country, they will be in different states, and there is some kind of travel involved in your relationship, and you will travel a lot with this person. This person will like traveling a lot. You are also that person who likes to travel, I feel that. And with the Feeling Alone card and the Strengthening Bond, I feel that you are also a person, for some of you this message will resonate, not definitely with all of you. You are also that person who is looking for the second marriage. You have also come out of a relationship or a marriage which was not working for you, and you are currently feeling very alone, and this person might also have same energy. And when both of you will meet each other, this person will feel instant connection with you, and you will also feel instant connection with this person. Definitely at first meeting you might not talk with this person, but after some time when you will talk with this person, you might share same experiences, and this person will feel strong bonds with you. Strengthening Bonds card here, and This bond will be very strong, and with the world card here, this person will fulfill your world and you will also fulfill this person world, and you will complete each other with the 10 of cups card. And I feel that both of you will fulfill each other, which is a very beautiful thing. And let's see some more cards, and then we will check out from the cheats what additional messages angels want to tell you. We have got two cards. Women holding a coin. Women holding a coin means that this person will be a very prosperous person. They will have financial security. They will share that with you too. Sharing. With the deceit card and with the feeling alone card. With the deceit card, I feel that for some of you, this person may be your ex also, and they may return from the past. And for some of you, I feel that both of you and your person have gone through some kind of toxic relationship, and this person will break that particular relationship and come to you. They might have been cheated in the past relationship. I feel that. Let's shuffle more cards and check out. Magician and the Mirror. With this card, Magician and the Mirror, I feel that this person will be very good manifester. With the Fool card also, I feel that this person might be believing in the spirituality. There are several cards here which is telling me that this person will be spiritual. Okay, he will be following the religious practices. He will be believing in the divine like this, and this person will bring balance into your life, and he will be a very good manifester. And he might be practicing manifestation process in his life, in her life also. And divine seems to me that divine is also connected to him and answering her questions instantly, and he is very strongly connected to the divine, I feel here. So let's check out from the cheats what will be the nature and personality. These are additional messages, handmade cheats for the personality traits. Let's see. Stylish. Okay, this person will be a style icon. He will be very fashionable, stylish person, and very attractive also. His physical appearance, dreamy. This person might have great dreams. He will be dreaming a lot. Good cook, very nice. Flexible. This person will be flexible, not stubborn, which is a good thing. Clever. Dynamic personality, very nice. We will take the last cheat. And humble, which is a good thing. He will have energy of the emperor. He or she will feel a little bit problem in expressing his feelings, but he will be humble. Even though he is very honorable in the society, he will have a very reputed position in the society. Even though if he or she is humble, that is a great thing for a personality trait to be. Let's see some physical traits, outer appearances. Freckles. For some of you, this person may be having some kind of freckles on their face, on their skin, some kind of spots. Tan. Blonde hair. Average height. Fair. Skin color. And in nature also he will be fair, he or she. Slender. We will take last. Puffy hair. So let's check out the name initials. This will help you in identifying your person. This could be the first letter of his or her name, or the last name or surname, anything. This can be your name initials also. Let's check. I. S. M. B. Y. if you are thinking about a person and watching this reading, and if you want to ask me that whether this is the person whom I am going to marry, I have yes for you. That was just a channel message and it may resonate with some of you. I felt like telling you, we will take last cheat and see. R. Okay. So we have V, I, S, R, M, B, Y. These are some name initials. This can be in the first name, in the last name of your person. So pile number 1, this was your reading regarding your person whom you are going to marry, and I hope so messages resonated with you and it helped you in some way. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave the comment and share your experiences here. So we will meet in the next reading. Bye and best of luck. Take care. Hello pile number 2, this is your reading who have selected this card, Archangel Gabriel card. So in this reading we will see who is that person you are going to marry. We will see their nature, personality, characteristics, and we will also use these kind of handmade cheats to get additional information. And friends, this is a general reading, and if you want to buy a personal reading from me, you can definitely do that. Contact me through my Instagram. You can message me on the Instagram or you can send me a mail. I will give my mail ID and the profile link of Instagram in the description through which you can contact me. Friend, this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. This is a timeless reading, and this is not a gender specific reading. So if you are watching for your wife, you can also watch, and if you are watching for your husband, you are also welcome here. So let's spread the card and see. Firstly, I would spread the cards and find out the personality and nature of your person, okay? And we will conclude this reading with the cheats. Please angels help me and guide me. Who will pile to marry? Page of Wands, Ace of Cups, wow, Wheel of Fortune. Very beautiful cards already. Judgment card. Seven of Cups. And Five of Pentacles. So we have got the cards, and using these cards I will tell you what will be the personality and nature of your person, okay? We will see what messages we get. Talk about the zodiac sign. I see more here. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio also, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. So more I see water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and you may also be a water sign person. With the Page of Wands card here, I see that your person will be very passionate towards his life. Even though I see that for some of you this person condition, finances situation is not very good right now. His career is not at that point where he is very satisfied, he or she is very satisfied, but even though he is working very dedicatedly and he is focused on some kind of a point, on some kind of a goal in his life, and he is working very hard to achieve that particular goal. For some of you, I feel that this person might be a student, or he might be a person who has just started his career or a new job, and this person is working his 100%, he or she is giving his 100% to achieve his target. And yes, for some person I do see that this person is currently not so abundant, not so rich, but yes, he has resources to live his life in a comfortable way, but he is not satisfied with that because he has big ambitions. He is very passionate towards his career, towards his life, and he wants to achieve higher position. And with the Seven of Cups card, I feel that this person is very dreamy. He has many goals. He may have dream of buying big house, big car, and buying different kind of properties. I see that. And this person destiny is like that. His destiny is in favor, and I feel that a divine is there. Divine is looking at him, and divine is also supporting him because he is a hard worker, and his destiny will definitely change. With the judgment card, I feel that this person is watched by divine and he will be rewarded. And I also feel that this person may be waiting for some kind of result in his life. Result in his life means that this person might have started a business and he is working very hard, and he is waiting for some kind of benefit or profit. And definitely I see abundance and prosperity coming into this person life, even though currently his situation right now, he is not so abundant. He is struggling with his finances and career. And for some of you, I also feel that this person may be alone. It means that this person is alone and he has not so many of relatives. He has not his parents with him, either not in this world or not with him or her supporting him, even though he is fighting with his situation. And with the judgment card, I feel that getting lessons from his past situation, looking his conditions which were very hard for him. There were so many hardships, though there were so many struggles. He or she started feeling like that I have to achieve something in my life, and I am the one who will do and who will definitely change my situation. And see, we have the card of Wheel of Fortune, which is the good woman card and the card of change in destiny. So definitely this person's destiny will change, and he will change his situation, and he will get abundance and whatever he has desired. This is a person of very strong will, and this person is highly emotional, values emotions so much. With the Ace of Cups card, this person will be very pure at his heart, pure with his feelings. He will say whatever he feels like that. He will not lie with you. He will be a very loyal person and a very good lover. With the Page of Wands card here, let's see with some more cards what information we get. So friends, let's get some more cards from this deck and see what is the nature, personality traits of your person, what he or she is currently doing. Clinging to the past. Patience. Wow. Slowing down. Comparison. Beyond illusion. So we have two cards here which is telling me that this person have some kind of baggage, some kind of negative situation, some kind of hardships, and this person is carrying that with him, like a tortoise carrying his home on his body, and this lady carrying this heavy structure on her head, and she is not happy, and cloth of this lady is torn out from everywhere, which is indicating that the financial situation of this lady is not good, and emotionally also this lady is not in a good condition. Lady I am using here, that doesn't mean that this is for the female person also, not, no, this is not true. This is true for both of the genders. For your person, who will you marry? Currently this person has some kind of baggage, some kind of negative situations, and this person is currently under pressure. This pressure may be of some kind of work. And with the Patience card, with the Seven of Pentacles card, I feel that this person have already done very hard work for his career in his life, and currently he is patiently waiting for that particular thing to give him or her fruits. And with the Slowing Down cards, this person is under pressure also. Currently he is not happy with his situation. Definitely he is not thinking like that he will give up, but yes, he is under pressure. And with the Patience card, somewhere in his heart he feels like he needs to keep patience. He is a very balanced person. He is keeping patience and waiting for the fruits to ripe. I feel that. And for some of you with the comparison card here, I feel that between you and this person there will be some kind of differences of ethnicity, of language, of religion. Any kind of difference will be there. And for some person, I feel that you might have rejected this person in the past because of their financial situations were not good. You have felt that this person is not financially very stable, and you might have rejected this person, and this person is patiently waiting for you. And he may return into your life, or she, after establishing his career, after when he will change his situation with his effort, which I can see that he will definitely change his situation even though he is struggling right now. With the Ace of Cups card here, divine is protecting him, his dreams, and he have very big dreams. I see that. Slowing down. Beyond illusion card and the comparison card, you might have compared this person in the past and rejected this person because he or she was not financially stable, or for some other reason you might have rejected this person and you were not able to see his pure heart. And I see that. And we have pure light card here also. Or due to any other reason you might have rejected this person. And with the comparison card, I also get another message is that definitely this person's situation might be not good right now, but after some time, after a few years, he will achieve that particular thing which he dreams of, and he will compare the situation of past, present and the future, and he will be very satisfied. I have got Judgment card for 2 times in your reading, which is a very good thing. And this is for your person, that whatever his condition, I see that this person is struggling right now. He is alone. He have not so many people supporting him, but he will get this new opportunity. He will get the rewards of his patience which he have kept in his life, and divine is supporting him. And I see that divine will reward him for his hard work and for his patience. I see that. So let's find out from some more cards. What will be the bond between you and your person, and how will this person treat you? Please, angels, help me and guide me. What will be the relationship between both of you? 7th card, Crown Chakra. Crown Chakra. Manifest, Magician, very beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, feeling alone. As I have already mentioned that this person might be very alone in his life. He may not have so many persons in his life to support, and whatever he has achieved, whatever he will build in his life, he will do with his efforts only, not with the support of so many people. Healing begins. Wow. Just breathe. With this card, Crown Chakra card, I feel that a person would be very intelligent, and he would have very good ideas, a good imaginative power, which he will use. With the Manifestation card, which is the Magician card, he will achieve in his life whatever he wants to. He has that particular power. Divine is supporting him, I have already mentioned, and this person have very magnetic aura, and he will attract whatever he wants to. And with the Manifestation card, and this card comes out for your relationship, which tells me that you are manifesting this person currently, or this person may be currently manifesting you, because he or she is all alone in his life, and he wants someone who can support in his life, who can support him emotionally and help him to make his journey of life a little bit easier. I see that. You are so alone in your life, and your person is also alone. Healing begins, and this card come out for your relationship. I feel that when both of you will come together in a union, you will feel that your healing has begun, or this person will feel that his healing has begun. This clinging to the past, black memories of the past will heal of yours and of your person too. Just breathe. Both of you will feel so relaxed with each other. Just breathe. Both of you will share. Both of you will mirror each other. Maybe you have that particular strong point that your person have weak point, so your person weak point will be your strong point, your strength, and your person's strength will be your weak point. So both of you will support each other. Okay, I feel that this person may be your twin flame. So let's check out some more cards and see, and finally we will check the cheats. Walking away. Okay, let's put this card here. Walking away. The garden and the gate. So let's shuffle this for one more time and pick out some more cards for your relationship with your future spouse. The world. In why? We'll take one more card. Door to value. Oh my god. So walking away and clinging to the past. I do feel for your person and for your situation also that you will meet this person when you will walk away from some kind of relationship, some kind of past relationship. You are currently in a relationship, or you might have walked away from some kind of relationship, and then you will meet this person when you will end a relationship. With the garden and the gate, I feel that this person initially will not open up his feelings because he has not habit of doing that, because in his whole life he was so alone. He has not shared his woes and worries to any person. So initially this person might feel difficulty with you to share his feelings. And with the comparison card also, I feel that there might be some kind of differences between you, differences in the ethnicity, color, or any kind of this. The world card, I feel that the comparison card here, definitely I feel that this person may be from out of your town, out of your city, out of your country. And yes, for the pied one also, and for this card also, this pile also, I feel that you may meet this person online. And for some of you, this person may be a businessman, and you may become a partner in their business, I feel. And in why, I feel that this person in his life is not surrounded by so many good people. Even if he have friends or relatives, they are not there to support him in his difficult situation. In why, I feel that door to value, definitely your person is currently working very hard. His financial situation is not so good, but this person will become prosperous. And you have got this card, door to value, and this person will enter into your life when he will be so abundant, so rich financially. I am mentioning this both for male and female, and not only for male. This person will be financially very rich, will have a very stable career, or a very stable any kind of source of income, and this person will bring financial stability into your life too. So this was the message from cards. Let's check the cheats and see some more messages. These are the cards which will tell your person, nature, personality, some more information. Please angels help me and guide me. Let's check. Tidy. So this person will always wear clean clothes. He will like to have a clean home. Cleanliness and tidiness will be a preference for this person. Helpful. This person will be helpful and will help you, because we have just breathe card and I see two persons joining their hands. So this person will be helping you in your life also. Definitely he will be or she will be your spouse, so they will definitely support you and help you. Flexible. This person will be flexible, not stubborn, and if there will be any kind of differences, which I see that there will be differences between both of you, but that will not matter much to your person. He will be very flexible and adjustable too. Fit. This person will be very fit, a good physique. This person may go to a gym or do exercises regularly. Nature lover, very good, and caring, very nice. Let's see some physical traits which you can see, or outer appearance. Gray hair, okay. Tall, this person may be a tall person. Freckles, dark. Puffy hair. Well built, fit and well built. This person may have an athletic body. He may go to a gym regularly or do a lot of exercise. Red hair. So for some of you, this person may color his hair, or you like to color your hair, long hair. Okay, so let's check name initials, which can help you to identify your person. Please self and guide me. H, S, P, Z. This can be in the name of first name, last name, middle name of your person, or yours too. And take whatever resonates. B, J, G. So H, S, P, Z and V, J, G. These are the some name initials which may resonate with you or with your person. Definitely you can identify with these name initials. You may get some idea. So pile number 2, this was your reading, and I hope so you like this reading. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will meet in the next reading. Bye and best of luck. Stay positive.